Entry doors. Eagle, Idaho, are essential for enhancing the curb appeal and security of your home. Whether you are looking for custom entry doors or energy-efficient doors, Eagle offers a wide range of options to suit your needs. From wooden entry doors to steel entry doors, the choices are endless for homeowners in Eagle, Idaho. Front door installation in Eagle is a service that ensures your entry doors are installed correctly and efficiently. Professional door installation services in Eagle, Idaho guarantee that your doors are secure and functional. Whether you need door replacement or new door installation, Eagle ID has skilled professionals ready to assist. Door replacement in Eagle ID is a popular service for those looking to upgrade their home's entryway. With options like fiberglass doors and residential doors, Eagle, Idaho residents can find the perfect fit for their home. Door replacement services in Eagle ensure that your new doors are installed with precision and care. Custom entry doors at Eagle offer a unique touch to any home. With a variety of styles and materials, you can create a door that reflects your personal taste. Custom entry doors. Eagle services provide homeowners with the opportunity to design a door that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Energy-efficient doors in Eagle are a smart choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. These doors help maintain the temperature inside your home, making them a popular choice in Eagle, Idaho. Energy-efficient doors. Eagle services offer a range of options to improve your home's energy efficiency. Door repair services in Eagle, Idaho are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your doors. Whether you need door frame repair or door weather stripping, Eagle has professionals ready to help. Door repair services. Eagle, Idaho ensure that your doors remain in top condition. Wooden entry doors. Eagle are a classic choice for homeowners looking for a traditional look. These doors offer warmth and elegance, making them a popular choice in Eagle, Idaho. Wooden entry doors. Eagle services provide a range of styles and finishes to suit any home. Steel entry doors. Eagle ID offer durability and security for your home. These doors are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions and provide an added layer of protection. Steel entry doors. Eagle ID services offer a variety of styles and finishes to match your home's exterior. Fiberglass doors. Eagle are a versatile option for homeowners looking for durability and style. These doors are resistant to dents and scratches, making them a practical choice in Eagle, Idaho. Fiberglass doors. Eagle services offer a range of designs to complement any home. Residential doors. Eagle, Idaho are available in a variety of styles and materials to suit any home. From traditional to modern designs, Residential Doors Eagle, Idaho services offer options to enhance your home's entryway. Whether you need a new front door or patio doors, Eagle has you covered. Commercial entry doors Eagle are designed to meet the needs of businesses in the area. These doors offer security and functionality, making them a popular choice for commercial properties in Eagle, Idaho. Commercial entry doors Eagle services provide a range of options to suit any business.